Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Dead by Daylight game. So without wasting time, here for the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead by Daylight game and then click on properties. Go to the controller tab and here first select disable Steam input and then restart the game. And then check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and from here select enable Steam input this time and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in Dead by Daylight game or not. Fix 3, disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4, check if controller is properly connected. So please check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Dead by Daylight game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Dead by Daylight game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.